Alright, so right now I'm finna get this iPhone XS Max and put the Sandmarc Telephoto Lens on here. So there's this case right here. Oh yeah, look at that. Easy to put on. You put it on one hand, kind of, sort of. No, but you can. So one-handed, put that bad boy on. Then I'm gonna grab the Sandmarc lens, which comes inside this nice bag. You know what I'm saying? Presentation. Wow. Back cap. Boom. There we go, baby. Bam. Pull off that cap. We ready to shoot. You know what the first shot gonna be? We're gonna take a picture of y'all. Woo. Bam. Make sure it focuses on the G7X. Now I'm all the way at the end of the bench. I'm still able to get that reach. Now the sun is all up in your boy face, so we're gonna switch sides. Get the good shot right here, baby. Let's pull back about the shot, you know what I'm saying? Boom, G7X now. All the way to the back of the bench, get the bag of the shot. Boom. So, now I wanna go without. You can see the difference. Remember I was here. Boom. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook up the iPhone XS Max, you know, to the hookup right here. So we got the full-on vlogging setup type of thing. Although, you can't really vlog with a telephoto lens. It makes no sense, but which is why I wish I had the wide angle lens from Sandmarc, so I could show you some wide shots, some more vlogging type of situations. But basically, I'm just gonna shoot things from far away, maybe unscrew it and show you the reach that you get at a 2x zoom. There is a use for it though. And guarantee, especially for people who want to do like scenery and shoot buildings and all that, and you want to get some reach on those buildings and so forth. All right, so yeah, let me shut up. I'm just running my mouth, and I want to get to shooting so I can get up out of here because it's cold. I'm shooting like 2 videos at once right now. Yeah, I work, I grind. All right. So this is about, you see, I'm pretty far away from the bench, but when you look through that telephoto, I'm like right up on the corner. That is the reach you get out of a telephoto lens. It's pretty nuts. Boom. So yeah, let me do what I do, player. Yo, okay man, so I just got through shooting with the Sandmarc. Yo, the Sandmarc Telephoto, trying to give you some outside ideal looks of how the Sandmarc can be used. It's a telephoto lens. It's great quality, great build. I do got a few little things I gotta talk about. You know, we're gonna keep it 1,000, but I'll talk about that when I'm back in the studio. I wanna get home, unload these photos. Ooh, it's nice and warm in the car. Can't wait to get to the warm house. You know. All right, man, so I just wanted to get some real world out and about shooting with the Sandmarc. Yeah, I'm out.